Now hide those.
I don't even want to show that one.
The rest of it is going to come out. It's going to come out here. Good. Yep, that's perfect. With the notepad. Just here.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah.
Okay.
Walk. I'm just going to try to give you a little bit of distance so you can focus on you more than
Okay.
walk.
Walk. Yeah, you see him walk. She's like, what is going on? Walk.
Doing something. Good girl. Okay, good job.
He's a very pretty horse. Hi, Kate.
Walk.
Like, walk. Okay, I will walk. You're good. Let the pressure on it. Kick a little bit with your feet. Go backwards. We're going to stay and keep going on the rail. Sit back a little bit. Push your feet down. Okay. So you're doing the two that are like right in front of you. You don't want to go past those holes. You don't want to go past it. Look at your pink polka dot that's going towards the dog. Make sure you're sitting up all out. Remember that has to come back on her. Okay, keep going straight all the way to the rail. Here. Start looking over your right polka dot hole. Keep going. Try to stay straight. Right. Turning to the left. Okay. Good job. Sit up, look back. Or sorry, sit back, look up. Good job. So we're gonna come up here. So last time it was just a little bit.
Go with left. This is harder for us. It's okay. We're not going to mess up.
Okay. Yeah.
turf. I know it's gonna be boosting it.
So you're just doing this. Got it. One buckle. Put the halter on.
For you. I know that you know that. I know that she appreciates that you're.
See, that's an easy one. That's an easy one. All right, let's get this set. Good. Getting better at learning how to use cabinets.
Where the hose is kind of over.
Sorry.
That's cold.
I got you in a spot.
To fill up the canister first, so you sometimes have to give it a second before. Husband a heads up because he has headroom.
It'll be okay. I'll let you know when I'm spraying after I.
I'll show you how.
You ready for your bath?
And the weather is kind of warm again. We've got opposite horses, so
Oh, I was like, where's she going?
So let me see if I can feed and record at the same time.
Now hide those. They're about to dump it quick. Get mad. You're like, stop pulling my cat. I know. We're almost there. We're almost